Hi folks, and welcome to this week's Modern Learning Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to be talking to you about how you can actually use Google Slides to create your own app or have students create their own app. So what you might be looking at right now is an app that I've kind of created where if I click on reading, then I would take me to my reading section of my app. And this is my reading page, and I can click on my home button to go back to the home page. I could click on my writing button to take me to my writing part of my app. I can go back to the home screen, or I can click on media and that'll take me to my media part or media page and go back to the home screen. So essentially what I've done here is just create links to different slides within Google Slides itself. So what we would do is if we came back to the actual slides presentation here, you can see this is my first slide and here are these different icons that I have. And all I've done is linked these different images to different slides within the presentation. So for example, you can see if I click on reading, and then what I can do is it's right now linked to slide 2. So to do that, I just came up to here, clicked on link, and what I would want to do is link it to a slide in this presentation. So I scroll down, find slide 2, and say apply, and now when I click on this icon, I can go to slide 2. I did the same thing with the home button so that the home button is actually linked to the actual first slide, and you can just continue to link these various images to the different parts of the app or pages within the slides. So once the students are all done this, then what they can do is actually go to File, and they can say they want to publish this to the web, which I've done already, and then it will actually give them this little link here that they can copy, and when they copy that, that takes them to the app itself. So if they pasted that particular link, say into an iPad or onto a phone, then they can see that they've kind of almost created an app. So it's just a fun little way to think about how to use Google Slides in a different kind of way. It's not just used for PowerPoint presentations and the typical way to do things. So that's how you can use Google Slides to create an app and have students create an app and exercise that creativity. Hopefully you found this tip helpful. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next week.